Old Bay. It's sworn by in America, ain't it? So I've been told anyway. Unique blend of 14 spices. How good is it? Never had it, never even saw it really in the shops. I saw it Aldi. $2.49 I think I said it was before. On my live stream, I think it was $2.49. I think I got it in for 4th of July. So, I've got a few bits. Let's see what it's like. As I say, there it is, a closer look if you can see it. I'll leave a picture, a screenshot of what's in it. I don't know if you can see it, probably a bit blurred because of the colours and that with the yellow and the black and the light. But I'll leave a picture up anyway. And it says, from Maryland, USA, bold blend of 14 herbs and spices, perfect for enhancing any dish with its unique flavour. That's what it says. Burgers, chicken and seafood, sprinkle on fries or corn on the cob, on popcorn, wings and pasta, I think that says. So, I've got myself some chicken legs, I've cut myself some fries up, I've got a corn on the cob, and I'm also going to put some beans, just to see what it's like. So first things first, let's open it up, let's have a smell. How do I open it? Oh, I ain't going to do that by hand, am I? Get something to open it. If I can. Get a spoon in there or something. There. Yeah, there we go. So that's it there. Ooh. Oh, that smells. Oh, that smells really nice. Oh yes. Right. First I'm going to get my chicken patted down and dried, and my fries patted down and dried. Just patting the chips down, the fries, whatever you want to call them. Get them nice and dry first. Pat the chicken down. Well, I need some salt. I want a little bit of salt on that chicken first. Let's get a little bit of salt on it. I'm using table salt. Now I'm going to get them in a bowl, a bit of oil and a bit of Old Bay, and give it all a mix. I suppose you could leave it to marinate, can't you? But I say this is for the video, so bit of oil. I don't know how much of this to put in this Old Bay, so I'll just play it by ear. I'll put a couple of teaspoons at a time, I suppose. We want to get that flavour in there, don't we? I'm going to put 3 teaspoons in, like so. I'm going to get all a good mix. Get all these chicken legs coated up. It smells absolutely delicious, it really does. There's that one. Wash my hands. Now we'll go on to the fries. Can you see that? Let's move that chicken out of the way. There we go, you can see that now. Now we get the fries in another bowl, bit of oil. Get everything prepared first and then we can cook it all, can't we? I am going to do it all in the air fryer, apart from the beans obviously. Some oil, a bit of salt, we'll put a bit of salt on first. Bit of oil. And some Old Bay, maybe another 2 or 3 of these, I don't know, I'm not sure. Let me know if you've had this before, if you're not American like. Put 3 of them in. Give it a mix with these fries and we'll see, eh? Oops. And there's the fries, looking nice, ain't they? Wash my hands again, and another bowl. Now the corn on the cob, I'm going to put that in, a bit of oil again. I'm gonna butter these corn on the cobs after they come out. Not before they go in the air, not covering before they go in the air fryer, if you get what I mean. Put that on there. I'm going to sprinkle some of this on and I'm going to roll it in. Maybe 2 of them. I don't know how much to put on, as I say, I'm just doing it by ear because I want to get the flavour and the taste. So I don't know if I'm putting too much on or not enough or what. Yeah, I'll get this little brush here. I'm going to pile some more on. There's that one. Wash my hands again. And now we will get the beans in. I'm not going to go over the top with it in the beans, I think, because it'll be too overpowering. I'm not sure. Maybe 1 teaspoon or something. Yeah, I'll put 1 teaspoon in. We'll get a mix. And I think that'll be enough there, because it's only a tin of beans in it. Ooh, ooh. If you could smell it, honestly. Right, there we go. I'll get me oh, there's a little bit on top there. I'll put that in and waste it. I'll get my air fryers warmed up now. Air fryers warmed up, so I'm going to get my chicken legs in. As I say, I'm using a couple of air fryers, but as I say, when if you're doing it all in one, you might as well use the oven, mightn't you? Because otherwise you've got to wait for something to get cold or wrap your chicken up after or whatever. Unless you've got a joule, I suppose. If you've got a joule, you're probably laughing. There you go, that's them. And then onto the other ones with the fries in. Let's get you there so you can see. Push that back a bit. Oh, got that in there. Get that out. My toast rack. It's going to be hot now, that is. Out. Hot. Fries in this one. And I got my corn on the cob in that one over there. God. So there we go, guys. 25 minutes later. Looks absolutely delicious, and the smells in this kitchen is unbelievable. Yeah, the chips look gorgeous, don't they, them fries? Absolutely. And the chicken as well. And the corn on the cob. And there's me beans at the back. Right, let's have a taste. It smells delicious. And I said the chips have got a kick, didn't you, Bab? Bit of a kick. So let me get you a closer look. Now put it on the plate. There's my corn on the cob. I've got my butter there ready to put on in a second. My fries. My chicken leg. My beans. It smells quite nice. Bit much on everything. Yeah, well I've done that because I thought it might be nice on the fries and not on the chicken. So I've had to do it to see if it's nice on different things, you see.
I like it in the beans and the chips.
You like it in the beans and the chips? Let me try the beans first.
No.
I wanted to try different things
okay.
to see.
Sorry. Sorry, okay, yeah. Don't do all that.
Oh, it's got a bit of a kick in it. Oh, that's nice in them beans, isn't it?
Quite nice.
Nice little spicy kick there, isn't it? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. And it has got a little kick. Let me just put some butter on my corn on the cob before it starts going cold. I want a bit of butter melted on there. Yeah, there we go. Well, let's try one of these fries then. They look nice. And they smell delicious. And they taste delicious as well. Don't they? Do you think they're better than them, oh, it's got a kick, that has. Oh, do you think they're better than them, remember them Madras ones I've done?
No.
They're not better than them Madras ones I've done?
No.
They were delicious, weren't they?
Yeah.
It's got a spice, that has. And that got a kick. I didn't know how much to put in. I put 3 tablespoons in, teaspoons I think. I can't remember how much you put in, but it's learning, innit? But they are nice. Let's try some of this chicken. Here's the chicken, look. Looks delicious. That's still hot. Oh, that chicken's bang on. Oh, that skin. Oh, wow. Absolutely. Oh, you got cloth, yeah? And the corn on the cob. That doesn't like corn on the cob, do you, Bab? Don't like corn, do you? Sweet corn.
No.
So she hasn't had one, so I've got a spare one for me. There's only me and our Blake who like it, corn on the cob in the house.
I used to eat it.
Oh. Oh. The saltiness has gone right into that. That's lovely. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, I can see why the Americans like that. That is delicious. It's got a kick. Well, I suppose it's all how much you put in, isn't it? You know. But that, yeah, I'm well happy. The corn on the cob is probably my favourite. That's absolutely delicious. Then the chicken. Then the peas. Then the chips. Maybe a bit more salt on the chips, I should have. Apart from that, it's bang on. Well, I'm going to go and eat it all before it gets cold. As I say, it was Old Bay, Aldi, $2.49. I just buy another one in case I liked it, so I've got 2. That asked me a bit. Yeah, I'm the old food guy. Just a like, just a subscribe. Absolutely delicious, this. Can't wait to eat it all.
Definitely.
That was absolutely delicious.
Yeah.
Weren't it?
Yeah.
Every last bit, absolutely delicious.
Some homemade coleslaw would have gone nice.
Some homemade coleslaw would have gone nice with it as well. But it weren't about that, was it?
No.
But that was delicious, weren't it? She's still chewing the bone off the chicken. Gorgeous, weren't it, Bab? It really was. And I bet all mine, every last bit. Probably can't see. Oh, yes. That seasoning, I reckon, is a 10 out of 10. If I got it right with the chips, with the fries, trial and error, I reckon it'd be bang on, wouldn't it?
Also rotten chips.
Yeah, it wasn't as good as the chicken or the
No.
beans. It was last, wasn't it? It was last, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Out of what I had, anyway.
Chicken, beans and chips.
Yeah, but I reckon,
You had your...
yeah, corn on the cob first. But absolutely delicious, weren't it?
Yeah, I'd eat that again, definitely.
So if you can buy an Aldi, go and grab yourself some. Worth the money. See you later. Bye-bye.